trying to shut them down.
Yes, sir.
Shut them down, boys show.
That's right. What subs are these? Could you tell me like all the equipment? Do you know?
Everything's Sundown except the motors.
Okay.
They're DC level 6 motors.
Okay.
4-inch coil, Team Sundown parts on top.
All right. And it's a 1-to-1 6th order?
Basically, I honestly have not calculated it.
You haven't?
It is undetermined.
Okay. Can I see the amps? Yeah, dude. I think. Do you know what it meters yet, or are you going to do that today?
Well, they just had one thrown in there on the dash was showing 59s at 31 on music.
Whew. On the dash. Jesus. Awesome. And your name, you said Loud Grandpa?
Carrie Stahl.
Carrie
Loud
Stahl.
Grandpa.
Okay. So what subs are these? I never asked you that.
The DC level 6 motor with everything else built on top by Sundown.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Dude, you turned it up and it's like brutal. Jesus.
Oh, it's just 415.
It's only 4.
Yeah, it's only 4, but the amount of power you're running, the clamp power, the lows, still brutal.
Kicker comp.
Kicker comp 15s. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I was just walking by. I figured I'd stop by. I had to hear it. Man, that's awesome.
I'm sure I'll see a video.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yep, Grandpa. I remember it. I won't forget you.
Appreciate you, brother.
Yep. Loud Grandpa. Thank you, man. Woo.
There it is. There's a YouTube right there.
Hair trick?
That's what I do.
Hey, could you show me the amps real quick?
Just 4 7500s at 0.33.
Just 4? Holy smokes. Oh, how much lithium?
540 amp hours. No, my bad. 340. 340.
Is it LTO
Yeah,
or
LTO.
CMF? Okay.
LTO.
Awesome. Thank you. 0.3 on 4 amps?
Well, 0.33 or point. I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
0.33.
Wow.
And amps are cold. Full tilt. Couple songs. Voltages hanging around 14.8.
Okay.
Charge about 15.5.
That's really good. Wow. You know what it meters?
We'll find out today.
Oh yeah? Okay.
We have an idea.
I'd say it does 62 is my guess.
We got to keep it quiet.
Yeah.
Final. That's 2 good questions.
Oh, I asked
Who
every
you work
question.
for?
Car audio videos.
I've seen this guy before.
Oh yeah? I do YouTube videos every day.
What's your page?
Jacob
Oh, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Oh shit. You didn't
I watch
catch me
you.
eating my breakfast, did you, bro?
I got some food flex.
Open up the back for me.
I got it.
Oh, okay.
I got it.
Well, then you can get some. We'll play something low and give you some door flex.
Yeah, man.
We need 2 strong individuals out there holding that door, because I mean,
Oh yeah.
I had my 300
He
pound
gonna
buddy.
get hurt if he over there by himself.
Yeah, you need some friends. Get somebody out there that can hold it all. Oh, there you are. Put your ass on this door.
No, my ass is
Oh
in
no,
shit.
don't break nothing. going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.